How to enjoy Zurich by keeping pace. Dawn arrival, embracing the city's rhythm. A train glides into Zurich's Hauptbahnhof, right on schedule as the city awakens. The station, one of Europe's largest, is vast and impeccably organized, yet easy to navigate. Even first-time visitors find their way effortlessly from platform to city streets. Stepping off the train, you notice a quiet choreography. Commuters move with purpose, but without rush, echoing Switzerland's reputation for clean, safe, punctual, and efficient public transit. Instead of scrambling for taxis, travelers roll their suitcases onto escalators leading to trams and local trains. A seasoned visitor remarks that using the tram or train is faster and cheaper than taxis, a tip that sets the tone for a day in sync with Zurich's pace. Morning commute, the punctual pulse of public transport. A bright Tram 11 hums up to the curb exactly on time, its electric bell a soft ding that blends into the morning air. Locals and tourists board calmly, no jostling necessary when another tram will arrive in minutes. Inside, the car is spotlessly clean and quiet. Passengers settle into wooden seats, some enjoying views of the lake through large windows. An American visitor's on-screen quote reads, "I wish our public transportation was as easy and clean as it is here." Such reactions are common. Zurich's integrated transit system makes it simple to move from train to tram to bus. In fact, the network is so well designed that transferring from one system to the next is seamless, even across multiple levels of the Hauptbahnhof. Overhead, digital displays show precise connections and departure times, reinforcing the sense that everything runs like clockwork. In the background, distant church bells from the Grossmünster blend with the tram's gentle whir, setting a rhythm that's uniquely Zurich. The city's pulse is one of efficiency without hurry, a subtle, steady beat. Old Town stroll, walkable by design. As the day progresses, the camera follows a traveler wandering through Niederdorf, Zurich's Old Town. Cobbled alleys twist past centuries-old facades and flower-draped balconies, inviting unhurried exploration. Cars are rare here. Many lanes are pedestrian-only or shared with trams that glide by almost silently. A caption reminds us, Zurich is a highly walkable city. By late morning, the city subtly shifts gears. Office workers step out for lunch in tidy waves, not a chaotic flood. Bakery lines form, advance, and dissolve. Orders are brief. Payments are quick. There's no performative friendliness, but no coldness either, just mutual respect for time. Everyone knows where they're going, and they let you know without saying a word. You learn quickly. Step aside before checking your phone. Have your payment ready. Take your coffee and move on if the cafe is busy. Lake Zurich, motion that breathes. Early afternoon opens up at Lake Zurich. Ferries glide across the water on schedule. Cyclists pass with soft bell taps. Joggers maintain an even cadence, never weaving. Benches are used, not occupied. People sit, observe, and move on. Nothing lingers too long, and that's the point. The lake isn't for collapsing into, it's for resetting your internal tempo. As you walk the promenade, you notice how movement never fully stops. Even rest has momentum here. Afternoon transitions. Timing is the luxury. Back in the city, trams arrive just as you reach the stop. Not because you rushed, but because you learned to read the rhythm. Screens tell you when to move. Bells tell you when to step aside. Doors close smoothly, without drama. A quiet rule becomes clear. If you hesitate, you fall behind. If you rush, you stand out. Keeping pace is the middle path, Zurich's version of grace. Evening, wind down. Precision softens. As daylight fades, the city exhales. Offices empty in an orderly release. Restaurants fill gradually. Reservations matter. Showing up on time matters more. Dinner unfolds without urgency, yet never drags. Streetlights reflect on wet stone. Trams still run like metronomes. People head home with the same calm purpose they carried into the morning.